Hi everyone, this is just a quick tutorial on how to dispense flares and chaff on the Blackbird C-130J. The CMDS system is a bit complex on this aircraft, so there are some different ways to dispense them, but this tutorial is just a bare minimum quick start. First, you will need a joystick button or keyboard key assigned to the chaff flare dispense button. On the tablet, select Hardware tab at the top. Then select Pilot Yoke and assign a button or key to chaff flare. The left button here is for keyboard keys, the right button is for joystick buttons. Now, let's check if flares and chaff are even loaded on the aircraft. By default, they are not, but your setting will persist between flights. If they are not loaded, you'll see that the dispensers are all fared over. I can load them on the ground by going to the tablet Loadout tab and loading both chaff and flares. You can now see that the fairings have been removed from the dispensers, and you can see the rounds inside. Firing them requires several steps. In the real aircraft, there is also a set of manual safety switches for each dispenser in the cargo bay, but that's not modeled here. First, let's set up the CNI-MU. Go to MC Index, DefSys, and select Master Power On. Then select CMDS. On the CMDS page, select Power On and Arm Flares and Chaff. You can also select different manual dispense programs at R2. Next up is the Defensive Systems Hard panel. Select Master OPR and turn the mode to Manual. When the system is armed and ready to go, you'll see a number of chaff and flares remaining on your HUD for a few seconds. That way you can verify you have set it up correctly. Select Manual Program 5 for a good mix of chaff and flares with each dispense. However, dispensing is still not allowed with weight on wheels unless explicitly overridden in this CNI-MU CMDS page. Once in the air, each press of the chaff flare button will launch flares and chaff. You'll see the number remaining pop up on the HUD. To jettison all of the flares at once, engage the jettison switch on the hard panel. The next press of the dispense button will toggle all remaining flares. Thank you for watching this video, and please join us for the next one.